Hey friends, if the Print Spooler service keeps stopping automatically on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the printer troubleshooter. Now, how would you run the printer troubleshooter? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the printer drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for print queues and find your printer here and update its drivers. The last solution is to work on the Print Spooler service. I'll tell you what to do. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Go to standard. I prefer standard, it won't actually matter. Scroll down to the Print Spooler service, which was already stopped or keep stopping. Right click on it and restart it, even if it's started. If it is not, then start it. Then right click on it, select properties, change the startup type to automatic for sure. Click on start again. If that's an option, click on apply, okay, and reboot your system. This should fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.